My dear students, good morning. Prep 2, let's complete our revision on the first unit. Today we will solve some questions on lesson 2 at the school book. If you please open your school book on page 26. Let's start. Question number 1. Put right or wrong in front of the following statement and correct the wrong ones. First, the atomic size increases by increases of the atomic number. This sentence is right. Why? In the same group as the atomic number increases, the atomic size increases. But in the period as the atomic number increases, the atomic size decreases. So the first sentence is right. Second one, water and ammonia are from polar compound. This sentence is right due to the highly in electronegativity. 3. Some alkali dissolve in water forming bases. This sentence is wrong. Why? Because some bases dissolve in water forming alkali. Not all alkali are bases. Question number 4. The solutions produced from dissolving non-metal oxide in water turn the violet litmus solution into red. Yes, this sentence is right. Why? As the solution which forming from dissolving non-metal oxide forming acidic solution, and the acidic solution change the litmus into red color. Okay, let's move to question number 2. Choose the correct answer. Each period in the modern periodic table starts with, yes, metallic element. As we go, the metallity decreases and we start with strong metal, then weak metal, then metalloid, then weak non-metal, then strong non-metal. At last we end the period with noble gas. When sodium reacts with water, which gas evolves? Hydrogen gas will evolve. Okay, and you can solve this equation with equation. Let's move to page number 27 and try to solve question number 3. What's meant by? What's meant by, like the defined question? Metalloid. What's meant by metalloid? Metalloids, they are elements which have property of both metals and non-metals. Okay, and the example as silicon, as boron, all these are called metalloids. Question number 2, chemical activity series. What's meant by chemical activity series? Chemical activity series is a descending arrangement of the elements according to their chemical activity. Let's move to solve question number 4. Explain the behavior of the following elements with water. 1. Iron. Number 2. Silver. Number 3. Potassium. We will solve this question according to the chemical activity series. Point number 1. Iron. Iron reacts at high temperature with hot water vapor. Point number 2. Silver. Silver doesn't react with water. Point number 3. Potassium. Potassium react instantly with water and hydrogen gas evolve making pop sound. Okay, let's move to solve question number 5. Question number 5, write the balanced chemical equations which express the reaction of. Point number 1, carbon dioxide with water. As you see, we will solve this with equation. The symbol of carbon dioxide CO2 plus water H2O. It will form carbonic acid H2CO3. خلي بالك وانت بتحل الايكويشن ان النمبر اوف الاتومز which enter the chemical reaction هو the number of the same atom which produced from the chemical reaction. وخد بالك ان انت السنه دي بتتحاسب على البالانس بتاع الايكويشن. اوكي كده تمام. بمعنى ان انا عندي 1 كربون اتوم دخلت الرياكشن خرجت برضو 1 كربون اتوم. 2 او 3 اكسجين اتومز دخلوا الرياكشن خرجوا 3 اكسجين اتومز برضو. طب الهيدروجين 2 هيدروجين اتومز دخلوا الرياكشن و2 هيدروجين اتومز خرجوا من الرياكشن. اوكي كده تمام. طيب let's move to the point number 2. Magnesium with diluted hydrochloric acid. The symbol of magnesium Mg. and the diluted hydrochloric acid HCl. By the reaction of magnesium with hydrochloric acid, magnesium chloride is formed and hydrogen gas evolve making pop sound. Okay, so MgCl will produce plus hydrogen gas. Try to balance the equation. One magnesium atom enters the chemical reaction and one magnesium atom produced from the chemical reaction. Okay, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen, only one hydrogen entered the chemical reaction and the produced was 2. So we should put 2 to balance the equation. So we will use 2 molecules of hydrochloric acid to form 1 molecule of hydrogen gas, which is consists of 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay, and the magnesium chloride, its symbol MgCl2. Why do we put chlorine under chlorine atom 2? Because the magnesium is divalent, but the chlorine atom is only monovalent. Okay, and we will inverse the valency, so the Mg will take 1 and chlorine will take 2. Okay, this was solving of the lesson 2 in the school book. Try to solve many questions, and if you face any problem, please send it for me on the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you and goodbye.